Yam vegetable. We are making yam vegetable today. Yam vegetable is very tasty. Yam vegetable is highly nutritious. Yam vegetable is very delicious. Yes, thank you for tuning into this channel, and thank you for watching this video. So this is the yam we'll be using for the yam vegetable recipe. You just have to cut out the quantity you'll be using to make your yam and keep the rest. Or if you have a big family, you can use one whole tuber of yam. So all you have to do is peel the yam. After peeling it, wash it properly and cut it into sizable cubes. That is all. You don't follow any particular pattern while cutting into cube. You make the kind of cube you want, or you cut into the kind of shape you want to. So that is absolutely it. Nothing much. After peeling the yam, wash it thoroughly. You can wash it in your sink, or you can wash it the way I did in this video. After washing the yam thoroughly, cut into cube-like shape. It doesn't really matter if you get the cube shape, okay? Just cut it into something that they are similar in shape, so that they can all cook at the same rate or the same time. They can all be cooked at the same rate of time. So I'm adding hot water. Hot water to the yam directly makes it cook faster. Add water at the same level to the yam and place on your burner. Add salt, cover and allow the yam to cook until it's soft. This is the vegetable I'll be using for the yam vegetable delicacy. This is green amaranth. This is ugu. You can make use of ugu, spinach, or green amaranth like I did. This is the pepper I'll be using, fresh pepper. I'm making use of yellow and red to improve the flavor of the yam vegetable. You can make use of any type of pepper you want. I added the red onions to improve the flavor of the yam vegetable. It's completely chopped. So the next process is to check on the yam. The yam is properly cooked. All you do now is to pour out the water in the sink. Just leave a drop or two drops of water in the pot with the yam. I added the fresh chopped pepper and onions, palm oil. Add palm oil but not excessively, okay? You don't want the palm oil to be excessive. Add crayfish, opaka or Ugba, salt, seasoning. You can use any type of seasoning of choice. And the last thing you add to the yam vegetable is the vegetable itself. After adding the vegetable, cover the vegetable, the yam, cover the pot to cook for say a minute or two. This will make the vegetable to wilt a little, and it will be easy for you to turn everything or mix everything together. Mix the vegetable and everything in the pot properly. You want to give it a very good mix. Remember, you have in here the opaka or the Ugba, the palm oil, the onions, the fresh pepper, salt, seasoning cube, and the yam itself. Okay, give it a good mix. Mix everything together properly and check for salt in case you didn't add enough salt. and the yam vegetable is ready. Please, if you watch to this point and you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and like this video, guys. Please like this video. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have any question. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.